Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Ryan Fenners. Welcome back to the Fentertainment channel. Today is Monday, it's Labor Day 2019. The story is I go to pick up a non-running riding lawnmower today from a friend of mine, and we're out in the country, and I decided to take my dog with me. However, before we left, the dog went outside, he did his business, whatever. On the way home, the dog shat all inside of my truck. Okay, when I say inside the truck, I'm gonna warn you, it's gonna be very graphical. So if you don't want to see this, turn away right now until I tell you to. The dog was standing up and turning around, and he just messed all over this passenger seat. Okay, there's still, you know, butt mud there. He's messed up over here. The owner's manual that they gave me for the lawnmower, it's on the console, it's everywhere. And here we are, I'm about 20 miles away from home having to deal with this. Let's jump to that clip real quick.
Sitting here riding, he won't even look at me. He knows he has done wrong. You done wrong? You pooped all over the seat, and now you're having to sit in it. I'm talking to you like you can understand me, which I believe he can. This is not the Labor Day that I had planned at all. So we'll see if the carpet extractor will get all of the poo out the seat. Berkeley. He knows he's done wrong.
I have this little green by Bissell. I've had it for a while now, and this is not the Pro Heat, this is just the basic version. And I got some pet stain and odor bacterial solution to go inside of it. I bought this to do carpet inside of my truck because some of the carpets have some stains. Now they're really stained, if you know what I mean. My daughter's right here, she's laughing. All right, so we're just gonna take it out, see what this is about. Inside, the first thing we see is it's got some tool attachments here. The green machine. It's got hose, it's got power cord, and you got your instruction manual. So it comes with a screw for this little mount here. This little piece here, this little indentation goes over the nipple there, and then this right here screw goes through this mount into the machine. To release this, lift there to release tank. This is your dirty tank on this side here. This is the tank that we will be pouring out. This is the clean tank here. All right, so on the back of the clean water side here, this is actually clean water side. I've filled up to here with some of this pet stain, odor, and antibacterial stuff. I went a little bit more, but the line is right here on the bottle itself, and then the water line is going to be up here. So just fill up to the water line, add the cap and everything back to the tank reservoir, put it back into the system, and go use it again. So. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is get everything that's on the seat, all the loose stuff off first, if that makes sense, before we start just throwing the carpet cleaner into it. So and it smells horrific. So has this ever happened to any of y'all? Have you ever had an animal urinate or poo in a car or truck on the interior? If you have, leave it down in the comments below and let us know your story. Don't be ashamed. I mean, here I am showing you the crap that my dog did today. You know, no shame in the game here. I'm really wanting to see if this Bissell carpet cleaner will work. All right, we just got the shop vac, and we're gonna vacuum as much of this loose stuff up as we can before we get on to using the Bissell. All right, so we now have the Bissell plugged up. We have the clean water concentrated side filled up. Here's the power switch. Once we turn the power switch on, the vacuum would start. The brush that they give you with it, it does not turn, it's manual, so you have to do a lot of manual scrubbing. However, when you pull the trigger, it's gonna squirt out cleaning solution onto your fabric. Like so. Then the vacuum cleaner itself is already in the on position, and then you just rub it down some and you vacuum it up. But what I'm planning on doing here is I'm going to soak the seat here in this solution. I'm going to turn the Bissell off. I'm going to rotate the head back and forth, or scrub it back and forth onto the seat before we start sucking up the juice, just to try to agitate the seat and the stain on the seat as much as we can. Let's get started. Alright guys, this is the after of the seat here. The small Bissell extractor worked great. Here's the seat belt. No stain on the seat belt. No stain on the side armrest here. Remember here there was a big pile of butt mud. It's already gone. The seat looks much better. It smells much better. The console looks a lot better also. Now, what I'm going to do to finish everything off with is I'm going to spray the entire surface down of the console here, all the plastic parts, with Lysol. I'm going to do that because the extraction tool would not get the hard surfaces clean like it did with the cloth surfaces. So okay guys, this is the final review of the Bissell little green machine here. As you can tell, this right here is full over here. Now I did run 2 tanks of clean water through this right here. If I was going to do this full time, I would not buy this machine. I believe this is great for, say, a homeowner. I used to work at a car dealership many years ago, and we had a big extraction machine there, and it was great, but it was well over $1,500. But for $100 price tag here, I'll put a link in the description where you can find this on Amazon. I think this was the go-to method, and I'm sure glad I bought this, because this right here saved the day today. Tell me what you believe in the comments, or tell me what you think in the comments. Be sure to like this video. Also subscribe to the channel, it helps me out. Share this video with your friends. And if you've had a pet horror story due to them messing up your interior of your vehicle, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, guys, I'm Ryan Fenners. You've been watching the Fentertainment channel, and we'll see you later.